What if I told you that in 2026, you don't need to know coding, web design, or even WordPress to build a professional website? With today's AI tools, you can create a beautiful business website, portfolio, blog, online store, or landing page in less than 30 minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how beginners are using AI to build stunning websites faster than professional developers, and some are even making money by selling these websites to clients. Let's get started. Step 1. Decide what website you need. Before opening any AI tool, ask yourself one simple question. What is the purpose of your website? It could be business website, portfolio, personal brand, online store, affiliate marketing site, blog, SaaS landing page, agency website. The more specific you are, the better AI performs. For example, create a modern website for a digital marketing agency targeting small businesses. Instead of, make me a website. AI works best with clear instructions. Step 2. Use AI to generate the entire website. Today, AI website builders can generate layout, colors, fonts, images, headlines, buttons, sections, contact forms, mobile design. Simply describe your business. For example, I own a fitness coaching business. Build a modern website using black and green colors with pricing, testimonials, about section and contact form. Within minutes, AI creates the first version. No coding. No design skills. No expensive developer. Step 3. Let AI write all your website content. Many people get stuck because they don't know what to write. AI solves that too. Ask AI to create homepage headline, about page, service descriptions, FAQs, blog posts, product descriptions, call to action buttons. Instead of spending hours writing, AI generates professional copy in seconds. Then simply edit it to match your brand voice. Step 4. Create professional images with AI. Don't waste money buying stock photos. AI can generate hero banners, product mockups, team illustrations, background graphics, icons, logos, marketing visuals. A unique website always looks more professional than one using the same stock photos everyone else uses. Step 5. Improve your design using AI. Now ask AI to improve your design. For example, make the colors more modern. Increase conversions. Improve mobile layout. Add better call to action buttons. Make the homepage cleaner. Improve readability. AI can redesign your website instantly. It's like having a professional designer working for you. Step 6. Add SEO with AI. A beautiful website is useless if nobody visits it. Use AI to generate SEO titles, meta descriptions, keywords, blog ideas, internal linking, FAQ schema, image alt text. This helps your website rank better on Google. Step 7. Publish your website. Before publishing, check mobile responsiveness, loading speed, contact form, navigation, images, grammar, buttons, links. Then connect your custom domain and publish. Congratulations! Your website is now live. Bonus: make money building AI websites. Here's where things get exciting. Thousands of small businesses still don't have professional websites. You can use AI to build websites for restaurants, gyms, doctors, real estate agents, freelancers, local shops, coaches, salons. Sell each website for $200 to $2,000 depending on the project. You don't need to code. You simply manage the AI tools and deliver the finished website. This is one of the fastest growing AI side hustles in 2026. Building websites has never been easier. AI handles the design, writing, images, and optimization. Your job is simply to give good instructions and make small improvements. Whether you want to grow your own business or start a profitable freelance service, learning AI website building is a valuable skill in 2026. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel Global Income Hub, and turn on notifications for more AI and online income tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.